Hey everyone, welcome. This is by Clover and Crown, and I'm here to share my finished jewelry update from working with Pirate Pretties Jewelry on a bargain bead box maker mashup. So we picked 4 items each, and if you look at our list, you can see which ones we picked. Number 2, 8, 11, 13, 17, 19, 20, and 21. And so this is with the month of February's spring ring collection by Bargain Bead Box. We did use some bindings and jump rings from different places, but you can see here what I've made. So this is a finished jewelry update, but if you'd like to see the process, there will be some Let's Make videos coming out in the next few days where you can see how I made everything. So here I went ahead and used these drops in a necklace, combining them with the frosted aqua rondelle beads, and I used 2 toggles to make these earrings. What you see at the top there is actually a nice dainty bracelet made with the same frosted aqua rondelles. I did some wire wrapping and attached them to some fishhook earrings. At the back of this necklace is the 3rd toggle. So over here we've got the second look I've made, which is an elastic stackable bracelet made with the crackle finished agate round beads in light aqua. They have some beautiful amber tones to them, and the most intimidating part of this box was probably the different drops, because those bad boys back there wanted to keep breaking on me, and then I had never used these, but I love these chandelier earrings here. I also made some cluster earrings and a necklace that matches. I'm in love with these fan pieces that Angela picked out. If she didn't pick them, I would have, and I just love them. So if you are not already subscribed, please go check out Angela with Pirate Pretties Jewelry. She makes some beautiful, beautiful things, and she posts very often. So if you're not following her, you definitely should. If you want to see my Let's Make videos or another mashup, please follow me. If you'd like to team up for next time with me, go ahead and leave me a comment. This is just a finished update, and if you'd like to see the pieces made, that'll be coming out soon. So thanks for joining me on my channel. I hope you love this mashup. I will be using the rest of the pieces for the spring rain collection as the month progresses. So, all right guys, thanks for watching. Bye.